Hey guys, welcome back to the initial project. It's done. I finished it. Ren and I spent some really late nights. I honestly, I couldn't be happier. I love it. I went with an off-white colour. No, hang on a second. This one, no. So today's the day that the project car is going into the workshop / garage. So we've just got to work out logistics on how we're going to move cars around to get it in there.
So how are you thinking? What do you want to put where?
So ideally, I think we need to put it in the far corner there, near the workbench.
Yeah.
So we need to get the race car out, MJ's Akina out of here.
Yeah.
And yeah, get started on this.
So you're going to put Akina here, race car here.
Yeah.
And then Patsy behind it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Shouldn't be too hard.
We'll find out.
Yeah, the joy of having too many cars when they're all the same bloody car.
And both of those are running. We're going to drive them or?
Yeah, I think we'll drive these two out of here.
Yeah, okay.
Because we can.
Sweet. Because we can.
Because we can.
I like that idea.
All right, I'll give you that key.
Too kind. Show off.
Car life.
Pull the handbrake, pull the handbrake, pull the handbrake.
Oh, I lost it. It broke. No handbrake. Okay.
Sweet.
So we might as well, before we put it in the garage, Renan, just start taking some of the body parts off it and find out what we've actually got in the boot.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. See what parts are missing, see what's there, what's not there. Let's get into it, eh?
Yeah, let's just start taking everything out of the inside first, find out what we've got. It'll be like a little treasure hunt and kind of like Christmas, I guess. But also, you know, at Christmas time when you get your presents but not the presents you want, that's probably what it's going to be like.
Yeah, I always ask Mum and Dad for some rusty car parts for Christmas.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Gas struts work.
Got gas when there's no glass.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah. Let's see.
All right. Oh. I was planning on using that.
I'm pretty sure electrical and water, they go together, don't they? Nah,
no, that's right.
It was only just in the very bottom. But again, this is another reason why I was lucky we're doing this now.
Yeah.
And not half a year's time. Probably dive into this another day because it looks like a cluster of a heck of a time. And I actually had a quick look through it when I got the car, I don't know how many months ago now, like 6 to 8 months, I can't remember. And that's exactly what I saw. All right, let's not worry about the loom today. Let's just dive into whatever else we've got in here.
Yeah, right.
We've got some more plastics and looks like the other rear tail light.
Oh, that's expensive.
Yeah. It's not so much expensive, it's just discontinued. Do we trust the seats?
Oh,
nope.
That one's not bolted in.
Neither is that one.
Oh, it's got full reclinal.
Nah, they're quick release seats. Ding!
I like what I see here.
Some sunroof.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Probably for those that have pulled an AE apart before, you'd soon figure that the amount of bits coming out of this isn't enough to put it back together. And considering this is everything it came with, it's probably fair to say we're missing quite a bit.
I thought this was like a kit car. You know, all the parts come together and all you'd have to do is just, you know, bolt it in, plug it in, it's good to go.
Again, apparently, all right, so we need to work out what we're going to do for these parts.
Yeah, my plan's just to make a mess and go home, eh?
Yeah, let me sort it out. State of it all.
I mean, it's actually not bad.
No, it's really not that bad. I mean, you've got a hole in the boot the floor is real good.
It's
You know,
good. Oh, so it's had a full cage.
yeah, it had a full cage and it's been turned into a half cage.
Oh yeah, so we just need to cut and grind all that off.
Yeah,
And,
yeah. There's a couple of nibs in here we need to just remove.
you'd want to clean that off because otherwise it's going to punch a hole in your foot.
Yes.
Started. Doesn't start.
Does the car not go?
No.
Man, I was told when I bought this would turn over.
Running when parked. Classic stitch up.
It's another reason why you just can't trust people now, you know? I had a feeling there was something wrong when I was towing it home, but I didn't think about it. Ripped.
Absolute stitch up.
Let's go down the back for now.
Yep.
Just throw it. Go! Let's stick it around here for now.
Yeah.
Whoa! I was going to drive this like that. Lucky I didn't. Oh,
Ah.
they've got those quick release
quick
side
release.
cards as well. That is awesome. Oh. That's not bad condition.
It's actually not bad, eh?
Bit of damage there, but we're going to have to paint our bumpers, I think, anyway.
Yeah.
So we can fix all that at the time.
All right.
Make a motor sound.
Brum, brum, brum. Oh, sorry. Hold on.
No, the headlight motor. It's got rotary headlights.
You said make a motor sound. If you want a headlight motor, you got to specify a headlight motor. It's like if I asked you to make a motor sound, what would you do? Yeah, exactly. Does your headlight do that?
It's not even a motor anyway.
Does your headlight do that?
If I'm boosting down the street and pop them up, yes.
Do you mind not shaking the car? I'm trying to do something.
Sorry. And I was thinking that people should take advantage of seeing you doing some work
Here. Oh, you're too kind.
rather than just trying to supervise.
Yeah, well, someone's got to film all the stuff, don't they?
But a bit of time in front of the camera rather than behind.
Yeah. Someone's got to do those glamour shots.
Yeah. They say some people have a face for radio, and they're the ones that are behind the camera.
Oh, are you calling me ugly?
I didn't call you ugly, but if you take that from that, then that's fine.
You want to talk, Mr. Instagram guy with no photos of yourself?
I've been defeated. That's it. Sell it. $2,000.
Project over.
Put a for sale sign on it. I'm gonna have in trouble. Thanks. Oh, that's the one I wanted. Take the for sale sign. I'm back in business. Yeah, so I picked up a ceiling liner for this the other day,
Yeah.
and I actually want to have a quick squiz to see whether we're going to fit it in with the half gauge.
Should I grab it?
Yeah. Do we order two or one?
If we glue it up to the ceiling.
Luckily, it's together at the bottom. Oh well, just be careful.
I'll get
Let's
it.
be smart about this, and we'll put it in the front, eh?
Hold on.
Okay, hang on, wait, stay there. Right, so...
Computer says no. Currently. Yeah, no, computer definitely says we're gonna have to cut it.
Let me rephrase this. I want the ceiling liner on it.
All the way, or
Yeah,
just like up to there?
there's nothing's in the way.
No.
Go back a touch. One. It's light now. That probably brings us to the end of this video, guys, for our tear down part right now.
Yes, I guess the next step's probably, since we've got the interior ready to go, probably get it all prepped for paint and yeah, start putting pieces back together, start looking at, I guess, the wiring, engine, stuff like that.
Yeah, and I'm pretty keen to investigate just some of the areas that have a bit of body rust on it and just make sure that there's nothing worse underneath.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the last thing we need.
Yeah, so remember to like, subscribe, and drop some comments if you want to see something in particular or want to know any more information about the part teardown that we've done. It'd be pretty cool to see people's feedback, whether it's good or bad. You know,
Yeah, if you've got some
reality.
knowledge as well that would help us, we'd appreciate it. I mean, we're still, I guess, learning as we go.
Yeah, and if there's some stuff that you've done differently and maybe want to add some advice, feel free to.
Sweet, we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Cheers.
Yeah, right, see you later, mate.
Oh, wait, what about all of the gear?
You don't need that.
This is my partner, Renan. Don't worry, I'll clean up.